Today we're going to make this mid-century modern end table out of redwood and poplar. I started by cutting the poplar down to length. I made sure to cut the pieces in order so that the grain of the wood would connect from piece to piece. I sanded all the edges and then glued and clamped everything with tape and a variety of different clamps. I added glue and then sawdust to cover up some of the imperfections on the corners. I measured and then cut down the pieces of redwood for the base. Then I ripped those pieces in half to get to the final size I wanted. I figured out the angle cut I wanted for the legs, and then I ripped them down with my circular saw. I used a router to cut the lap joints, but you can also easily use a handsaw. I used a pull saw and my oscillating tool to cut out the middle joint that connects the two leg pieces. I gave everything a quick sand and then I glued and clamped up the two leg pieces. After everything dried, I sanded off the extra glue, and then I cut the legs down to length. I glued and clamped the first pair of legs, and then did the same thing for the second. Finally, I added 2 coats of Danish oil to spruce everything up. I had never really tried anything like this before, so I'm really happy with how it turned out. I definitely could have been a little bit more precise with some of the cuts, but in the end you can't really tell and it doesn't actually bother me that much. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, I'd appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, while you're here, why don't you check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next episode.